coming through.
Another really fun option if you just want to add some more to your tank. This is our rocky background. This is one of our most popular backgrounds. It's our thinnest background, but it still has so much detail to it. So with these, I'm gonna put them on the sides. They're very flexible, so you can just bend it however you need to get it inside of your tank. Again, you can put silicone on the back and then just weigh it down until the silicone cures. And once it's all in place, you have another just really great option. It adds so much more to your tank, more enrichment for your animals and more just aesthetically pleasing for you. Depending on the tank you have, if you have a glass tank like this one, then you're gonna see the sides, which is the back of the background. It's very easy to hide that. You can simply paint it with some black paint. You can get our versatile flat sheets, which are even thinner, and you can cut it to size and put it back here so that you don't see this anymore. They also have black vinyl that you can just place on the sides. So now we're gonna add our substrate. And now we're gonna add some plants and other rock decorations that we have. This is actually one of our options that we sell online. Nice deco rocks and our river stone options. So if you see this gap here we have along the edge, you can simply just put some silicone back here and just weigh it down until the silicone is cured, and that'll fix that problem. We also offer what we call our touch-up kits. This is part of the stuff that we use to color all of our products that gets embedded in it. So you can take a knife and you can scrape this and you're not going to get that color off. So when you put the silicone on, you can actually do it to the edge, to the corners right here too, to blend the seams. And you just take the silicone and you put it on, and then you just dab it in each of the colors and dab it onto the silicone until you have it all matching and it looks perfectly seamless.